Here she comes.
Turning.
You see her?
Yeah. It seems to be over this way though.
Dude, trust me. It's gonna come. You're not gonna miss it. It's coming. No, it's straightening out.
Yeah, it's not gonna be right over top.
Oh yeah, it will be. Are you ready? It's fucking coming at us.
I know it is, dude.
Dude, you're gonna freak out.
This is sweet. Oh,
Here she comes, man.
fuck. Fuck me.
Are you scared?
No.
It's gonna land right on you.
It is a bit over though, dude.
Dude, but we're here. We're on
I
a...
know, but I want to be right here, right at the nose of her.
Okay. Here she comes. She's looking right at you. Fuck me! That was scared. Fuck no! It scared the shit right out of me.
That was wicked. Man, that was awesome. Another good experience for the day.
There you go. All right, let's get to the airport and get Sean and Tammy.
Fucking hands are frozen.